Ate Bricks. Yan naman lang. Santa Rosa exit. Tarusan Valley from Calax. Yeah. Nasa exit. Diyan mo sila mama. Ano yan? Labas mo yung phone. Ayusin mo yung video mo guys. Galaw-galaw.
Wala terong dito man. Morning man.
May terong dyan, kuhain ka.
Diyan mo rin na guys.
Morning man.
Sasabihin ng terong,
Ilayo mo
kulit
rin
ng
yung phone.
batang
Ilayo mo
to.
doon yung phone.
Kunin ko tong batang to. O bakit may ganito na dito, Papa?
Oo nga. Padron tayo.
Ow! I see Jollibee over there.
Where?
Over there.
Where is it? Oh, it's up there.
Far there.
We cannot go in there because we're on the bridge. Wait lang. Ikaw na pwede i-open?
Okay na, okay na.
Pumunta ka na mama.
Say hi.
Tapos pumunta dito. Hello. Tapos medyo
See? He does like this her hand. Now he does like this her hand. Man, he didn't catch his. Hi.
Ooh. Why are you going to eat? Kasi I am hungry na. Nandito na nga kami sa ano to? M&M Bulaluhan, Tagaytay.
Magbaluhan.
Dito kami mag-breakfast sa Tagaytay. Excuse me. Wow. Ano Bricks? Nice bang view Bricks? Kaso maulap. May nagip akong porcel oh. Ano na yan boss? Woo. Ha?
Alex, stay here na lang.
Ang ganda kako ng view. That's Mount Taal. There, Mount Taal.
Ano sa inyo?
That's
Bricks. Ano nakita mo?
Ayan lang siya.
Hindi makita yung Mount Taal.
Sa baba.
Hindi man naka-stabilize yung brakes.
Mama, it's good.
It's a circle. A wheel.
Wala ba?
Good. Many times.
Baby time pa pala kami, Papa. Okay.
Many times.
There's a cow. What a cow? Oh. Hi, cow.
Going.
Hi, so big cow. You wanna ride a cow?
No.
Why?
Cows.
Kaya brakes.
Over here na.
Whoa. What a crazy.
Ayusin mo yung video. Please, huwag mo.
Diba like it's so steep.
Yeah.
Ay, almost so good. So steep. It's a crazy move.
Yeah. This crazy move.
There's the castle.
Ay, sarado.
Mama.
Ah,
Yeah.
Mama. Louder.
tayo pa sa gilid.
Yeah.
Huh?
Bukas. Yan, bukas dyan, oh.
Oh.
Whoa. What a crazy. Trespassing nata to ba?
Trespassing. Hindi, bukas naman eh. Check ko lang yung brakes. Baka hindi na kami video na brakes.
Oo naman. Oh,
Woohoo!
crazy.
Yes.
It's the castle.
Oh.
Sa video.
We cannot go inside kasi it's closed.
You can put it inside.
Yeah, it's closed. The castle's closed.
Castle's close. Let's find something
Ano pa?
Ha?
Where are we, Ma?
Can we open it? Papa?
Okay na to?
Where are we?
Ito na yung hinahanap mong brakes.
Basta mo po na, bibis ba kaya?
Di. May bibisitahin lang.
Mag-iikwat.
Oo.
Bawal sa parking, bilis sa parking.
Di, wait lang, wait lang.
Ito pa naman yung bahay.
Ha?
Pati doon yung bahay.
Uy, mama. May bahay dun sa dagat.
Siguro mababaw lang.
Ay, ano na naman yung napuntahan namin. Ang ganda na naman ng lugar.
Ano naman?
Bricks. Refresh ka na naman ngayon, Bricks. Ang kambing Bricks, hulihin mo na.
Ay, Facebook mo yung kasama ko.
Ha? Dito, Bricks.
Mga kambing. Mga baka. May mais. Tubo ba yun? Tubo. Farm.
Yan. Mga ano, Bricks, mga 2 minutes. Bricks, kami, Bricks. Nasa full chest. Dito, dito. Dun, dun, dun. Slide, slide. Sakit, ikaw doon, ikaw doon. Tadang, tadang. Kuya Bricks doon, no? Careful, ha? Basa, basa. Basa. Bricks, wag mong bitawan, ha? Maano yung paa, maipit. Woo! Hey.
Let's go back.
Let's go back, let's go back. Hawak ka, hawak. Ang lamig. Ang lamig na, no? Sarap.
Lalamig na. Oh yeah.
Hello over there.
Oh, is it nice?
Oo, papaitan.
Yung isa pa may beef steak pa. You guys wanna play there?
Mamaya na nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo, after you eat, eh.
This morning feels so beautiful today. Your smile always brightens up my way. You came and brought a shining light. My heart is singing with pure delight. Your warm hand is holding on to mine.
Please, kuhain mo na, mahulog na siya.
Your